When we thought we had the rumors regarding the chipsets for the Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 ULTRA figured out, a new leak has put everything back into question. The Bluetooth Launch Studio database, which is the method used by businesses to submit their devices for Bluetooth certification, has revealed the existence of a new Samsung chipset with a code name thought to allude to the Exynos 2300. The newest Bluetooth standard, 5.3, is supported by this chip, but no other information is provided. The most recent consensus among leakers on the Galaxy S23 series processor was that it will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in every country, and remarks from Qualcomm's own executives appear to confirm this hypothesis. However, the new Exynos Silicon's presence in the Bluetooth register implies Samsung still plans to ship the chip, which could imply that some Galaxy S23 phones will instead use the new internal Samsung chip. Currently, Samsung divides the chipsets of its Galaxy S phones based on where you purchase them. Due to an existing agreement with Samsung to use its chips in that market, U.S. customers purchasing the currently available Galaxy S22 will receive a version with a Snapdragon processor. In contrast, the Exynos 2200 chipset found in the global version of the S22 series is arguably of lower quality due to its lower performance scores. Perhaps the claims that the Galaxy S23 series will use Snapdragon chips from all over the world are inaccurate. Another scenario is that Samsung will put the chip in a different Galaxy handset or sell it to a different business. Vivo, a Chinese phone manufacturer, employs Exynos CPUs in certain of its models, for instance. Although the Galaxy S23 chip is still a mystery, the upcoming flagship seems to have a significantly revised look, and these fresh renders from 4RMD help to depict the potential adjustments. With the rumored redesigned design for the Galaxy S23 Normal and Galaxy S23 Plus, as seen in this video, they now resemble the Galaxy S22 ULTRA more, giving the lineup a more cohesive appearance. However, many things, including as their rear cameras, display size, and quality, are said to remain the same. However, their front cameras might have a higher quality sensor, and their battery capacity might also increase. Other reports claim that the Galaxy S22 ULTRA won't get a significant redesign, although it may gain slightly flatter edges and a less pronounced display curvature. The 200-megapixel main camera, which would enable higher-res photographs than any of Samsung's main competitors like the 48MP iPhone 14 Pro or 50MP Google Pixel 7 Pro, is expected to be its main enhancement. The Galaxy S23 series should debut before March of next year, according to all indications. More precise rumors claim that the phone could be unveiled in January, which would be sooner than usual, but still within the range of possibilities. So guys, this concludes our video for today. I hope all of you enjoyed it. If so, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.